In this video, I'll be showing how to clean this fish. The name of this fish is croaker fish, and I'll be showing how to clean, how to descale, and how to gut the fish. For cleaning, I'll be needing a small knife, I'll be needing a scissors, and I'll be also needing a moderately big knife. Croaker fish has a lot of fin on its body, so I'll start with cutting out all the fins on the fish body. Now I've gotten rid of all the fins. The next thing I'll be doing is to descale the fish. I'll be descaling the fish using a small knife. This can create a lot of mess in your kitchen, so try as possible to be gentle when descaling. So you just use your knife to scrape the body of the fish gently so that you don't cut the skin. So if your knife is not sharp, you need to get it sharpened. So you need a sharp knife to help you descale this. Now I'm done with descaling the fish. I've gotten rid of all the scales on the body of the fish, and the fish feels smooth now. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to cut the fish and get out all the fish guts. Now, this is the most important part of cleaning fish, because you need to get rid of all the guts in the fish. If you don't get rid of it well, it could make your fish taste bitter or give it a weird taste. So getting rid of the guts of fish is really very important when cleaning the fish. So what I do is I use my finger to pull out the guts, and I'll be needing a small knife for the parts where my fingers cannot clean. I'll be using a small knife to get rid of that blood part. I'll use a knife because my fingers cannot get into that part, and if I try to force in my finger, it could hurt me. So I'll use a knife to clean that. You can see how I'm doing here. I'm using the tip of the knife to get rid of the blood parts in the fish. Now cleaning the head part could be a little bit difficult because the head has some gills in it and also has guts. These parts are the gills, so one needs to take one's time when cleaning the fish head because it has a lot of dirt to get rid of in it. So I'll also be using my knife and also be using my fingers to clean the fish head. So just watch me while I clean this. So after the whole cleaning process, the removing the guts, removing the gills, final cleaning part is to wash the fish with some water. Here we have it, a perfectly cleaned and washed fish. It is very clean inside and out. I hope you found this video very helpful and it can come in handy when you want to clean your fish. And that'll be all on today's video. If you find this video helpful, please engage this video by liking this video, by dropping me a comment. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Till I come your way next time. Stay safe. Bye.